Justin Deseck here at our latest listing in the south end of London, Ontario at 1615 Jalna Boulevard. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, split level home. Let's go check it out. All right, so here we are inside this beautiful home where on the main level you have your kitchen, living room, dining room, and you have a convenient side entrance which leads to the lower level as well. Let's go see what the rest of this home has to offer. Upstairs, you'll find your spacious primary with lots of storage space in your closet, a beautifully updated 4-piece bathroom, and 2 other very spacious bedrooms. So now we're in the lower level where you'll find your spacious family room, your rec room, the largest room in the house. The most expansive experience that you're going to have here with your family is right here. Your fireplace, your built-in cabinetry. This is where the memories will be made in this home. So if you're looking for that move-in ready home in a walkable neighborhood with a great backyard oasis here with your water feature and everything ready for you to enjoy, this home could be a serious consideration for you. Don't hesitate to contact your agent or myself for a private showing. This is Justin Deseck here, Sutton Group Select Realty. Bye for now.